Welcome back. Our next design will be this design. So let's go, because it is a 3D. So you can start with this color, draw it like that, okay, like that, and with rotate tool, height R, do one click there, hold option and duplicate it like that. Okay, fine. With your rectangle tool, your selection tool, do it like that. Select both. Let me decrease this a bit. Select both and Shift M. You want to place it like that. Okay, Shift M. You want to merge them and delete this and this. Okay, fine. I think it's good like that, but I wanna reduce here with direct selection tool. Select and reduce it a little bit. Okay, fine. Okay, now do one click, direct selection tool, round cap. Okay, fine, and round cap. Okay, fine, and rotate it like that. Good. Okay, with your rectangle tool, create a rectangle here. Oh no, it does. Okay, with direct selection tool, do one click. Okay, with direct selection tool, round cap. Okay, fine. I want to do something, so select both, go to object, go down to path, offset path, and decrease like that. Okay, fine. So do one click here, hold shift, one click here, and change color for this color. I think it's good like that. Okay, good. After that, with rectangle tool, create a rectangle here, and it does like that. And with direct selection tool, select here, hold shift, select here, round cap. With your selection tool, select it. With your rotate tool, do one click here, hold option or alt and duplicate it like that. And with your selection tool, V, I use case lock, many case lock. Okay, you can increase this, drag this like that, Okay, fine. Select both, Shift M to shape boulder tool, merge, hold option or alt, one click, and with direct selection tool, do one click here, or select it, round a little bit. Okay, fine. Okay, now you want to change this color for dark color, this color. Okay, we'll change after. Let's go for the 3D art. Do one click here, go select both, Command G to group them, select both, Command G to group them, one click, go to 3D and material. You can find it here, Windows, Effect, Windows, go down 3D and material. If you click on it, your 3D and material will come out. Do one click here and increase this maybe, and go to the center, hold your click and drag it to place it in the best position like that. Okay, maybe again like that. Okay, you can copy those here, dot. Okay, fine. Do one click. First, do one click here, copy this value, do one click, because they must have the same size. Okay, drag it and place it in the best position like that. Okay, and go to change perspective. Let me find 28. you can drag it to place it here. Okay, fine. Do one click here, extrude, place it there. You hold the center and you drag to find the best position. Okay, fine. Now we'll do one click here, go to materials, go down to find the materials. Which material we will use? We will use these materials, and no material. Let me check this. It's nice, but if I go to property to increase this value, yes, I like it. So the same, go down, increase this. Okay, fine. Do one click, go to find the wood material here and go down to change the color. No, this color, not this color, I think this color. Double click, do it dark. No, it don't change. The face here, double click, do it dark. Okay, it's good. Double click, do it very dark. Okay, nice. Now you can, let me check it. It isn't good. Do one click, do it like that. One click, do it like that. Okay, one click, go there. Let me increase again. Increase. Okay, place it here. Do one click here. With your selection tool, you can increase the size. Okay, increase the size. Okay, hold the center, place it in the best position like that. Good. Duplicate it, alt and duplicate it here, and command X to copy it. Select both, command B to paste in back of those two shape, and you have your, let me set it in top. No, maybe decrease the size here. Okay, fine. It's good like that. You don't have to add this small wood here, but if you want to do it, you must let me decrease again. If you want to add this wood, okay, you have to create a small shape like that. Go to extrude and click on extrude, increase. You can go there and run cap. Okay, and with selection tool, you can place, you can go to the center, place it like that, and place it here, and command X or control X to copy it, command B or control B to paste it back, and you can add materials, wood materials if you want. Okay, no, you can reduce the size. It's too big. Reduce. It isn't, you have not to do it because the wood is already in bag. If I want to create this line and go to isometry top, or go to center to place it like that, and command X to copy it, command B to paste it back and set it like that. Okay, and maybe add materials, with material you can add to natural. Let me check this. Okay, fine, it's good. Okay, so this, and we can add a shadow below and rotate it here. Also this shadow below and rotate it here. Rotate it like that and increase the size like that. Okay, fine. If I do one click, I can add shadow also on this if you want. Maybe the light come from there. Okay, same for this. Add shadow below, the light come from there. So this that. Okay, fine. If our light come from there, okay, if our light come from there, place it here. Okay, fine. This is the illustration of fully. If I select all, Command D to group them. Sometimes if your PC is not very strong, it can freeze when you use 3D Illustrator. So you can expand it to create a image. Command D to group them, and you can move it. So this is the 3D art. Okay, it's very simple. Let's go for the next design.